February 23. And I have here, ipaililisan ako kung mga kauban. So I have here Jessa. You say hi, Jessa.
Hi, Jessa.
Okay, and this is Jennifer. You say hi, Jennifer. And this is our bride-to-be. Ay, yun already. Ay. Unsa, what is your name?
Rhea.
Okay, so we're here staying for the night. Kung kano sa... Grabe no, kung kano sa naay kaslon sa toya patanag overnight. I'm gonna take you to this very chill and snippets of the wedding. And I hope I would be able to film. So right now we have a last minute preparations. Pero as ipakita ko si Rhea, all set na daw. So I hope na yun siya karon. So si Jessa, nagpunman na siya. So we're going to do a lot of snacking and dancing. Gonna dance the carbs and the sugar. Very Gen Z ang imong vibes, Jess, with the video and the eating. She's writing her vow. Lagwa pa kay kadiha. And this is me right now. Actually, ang ramen manggod nga akong gi-order gahapon kay kuha naman 12 midnight naman. Kay hot siya, kabalo na mo sa ako. I don't bond well with spicy food. So, pwede na ako mag-itong chicken! Chimken.
Ano may nasa chicken?
Nagpabadlis ko. Ash Wednesday.
Dili, oy!
Pati chicken. Tanan crawling meat.
Ah, really?
Yes, day. Murag, gaduda lagi ko sa... Gaduda lagi ko sa imo. It's already. Marco niya. Just a Jane. I want to know the time. It's our home screen. It's 1:15. Now we're practicing our dance for tomorrow. So this is what you call cramming. So ilaban nato ni laban nato ni kay atong bride. Gotch club na si Auntie. Nag-guitarist na si Madam. Good morning, guys. So today is February 24, 2024, and it is the day of the wedding. It is already 5:26. I'm trying to wake myself up and hopefully mag-work good ang heater, okay? Tugno ka siya. Well, initially, I was not part of the entourage. So there are really inevitable circumstances. What happened is, ako ang substitute for one of her bridesmaids. I was actually just joking when I told her na I didn't receive an invitation. Right now, I have, it's so cute. I just saw this last night. You see that? It's my name. And shout out to Jessa for doing my nails. So guys, this is their invitation. So cute. It's just so simple, but it looks classy. Rhea is one of my closest friends way back in college, and she's actually the first classmate na ako ang na-attendan ng wedding. This year is wedding era. I'm gonna be attending another wedding in July. I think I'm gonna do a little room tour. Should I? Ako sa nibalik. Actually, the room is so big. When you enter, and there's a bathroom. Nag-practice kami yung sayo dringan. There's actually one big bed right there, and one small bed right there. There's this vanity table right here. Wala to, guys, and I'm gonna hopefully I'll be able to take you with me for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna show you the snippets of the behind the scenes of the wedding. And oh my god, Rhea's getting married. Hi guys! Tara nga daw bride to be. Nagsuot namin sa among mga robe. Mata na si Jessa. Jessa, alam mo, bitang ko ganyan kay naghagok ka. Like, gifilm gina ko nga naghagok ka.
Huh?
O, joke lang. So, muna si Jessa.
Burger steak.
Muna si Jennifer. Say hi!
Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog. Dili na siya kay YouTube, pero ako siya ipasubscribe sa akong channel. Because I'm for the clout. So, manami og pamahaw, pero karon magsakandon mi ni Jessa kay medyo napingis mi sa amo ang breakfast. I don't know why I don't feel nervous. Dili mo ta akong kasi. Laban lagi ni serious ang pagplan. So you're going to meet more of our friends later. Naka-robe na meet. We're just waiting for the makeup artist because we will have to do the fun shoot pa. It's already 7:10. Go overthink siya, but you know. So makayon jud ko maklaro jud nga mahal gid kayo to siya kay murag di mahimutang ihang kalag. Dili ito sentimental value lang.
Ay, ang value gid.
Mag-ingana ba siya pag sentimental value lang?
Ang value gid. Ang value gid Davis.
Practice namin sa amo ang kuan. ASAP prod.
Ano ko ba sa'yo? Dili, mas ayun eh.
Paano gid?
Ana-ana lang. Pretty lang.
Padlo ka sa.
Hi. Morning, Peng. Morning, sir.
Tulungan mo ako dyan. Teamwork tayo dito. Huwag kang ano dyan. Cutie. Smile. Jeannie. Jennifer. Oh, now they're setting up. It's time for the makeup. That's Chin Chin. All setting up. Setting up. Jessa, huwag kang sumama sa liwanag ah. For the light. For the light. For the night. For the color of my blood. Laban lagi na itong mga four-eyed girly na raw. Cute kasi Jessa.
Paano gid mo pag
200 naman na. Achiever man na siya. Dili lang na siya 100%. So, getting ready. Umuwi na lang ko, Jennifer. Nagpakatol yapon ko. Magpakatol yan na. No.
Lagi pon diri mo
Anytime, anywhere. Here you go. Tanananan. You're so cute.
One eternity later.
Lover, ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand with every guitar string scar on my hand?
Sa itong mga ganap sa kinabuhi. Oh, diba? Maraming tao. Sarap to siya. Oh, ano siya musik ko. Nice kayo mong hair in. For the lamig yung lips ko. Already 9:46. Jennifer. Alam mo rin ako walay nail polish. Just ano? Mo ko walay.
katong pink na
Yeah. Siyempre, ikaw na good mo. Just na good mo. The fun show. Uy, ginong ko din ita kinam. Grabe siya yung paning kamot ng home. Ikalama si Chin Chin. Nag-power.
majority kita gid eh.
Ano ba? Mura dito. pictures.
So, let's drink Dutch milk.
So hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
We're now tipsy. Tipsy, na Mr. Dutch milk.
You say hi. You say hi. Maka artista. No? Like this, ano.
So, please unsubscribe and
Oh,
hit the
really?
and hit the dislike
Kani sa mga haters ko,
the
ayo.
dislike button.
Kasi naka-discover sa yan YouTube.
Hit the dislike button.
Okay, we're going back to our room para mag-lunch. After lunch,
Wear already our gown.
mag-change na dahil. Og, amo
And then
ang...
another pictorial, I think, or photo shoot.
I think, ay, same floor ba? Ay, nag-elevator man dito, no? Wait na sila. Dili na, babay. Dali. You know. Ah, so pretty. And, tadan. At least I've got cute. Cute ballet. Our update. Oh, kaldag. And that's our bride. Rhea Marie. Instant ring bearer. I have to guard this with my life. So now we are done sa pag-retouch and photo shoot. Dress. Going to photo shoot wearing a dress. Just had our lunch. Very quick lang. And we're getting closer. Okay, we're back again at the roof deck. And we're going to take more pictures. And as you can see, the temporary ring bearer. Ta-da! Done taking photos, and now it's time to go to the church. Hi, we're inside the van. Hi. Ana si Ate Judy dia. Ate Judy, where are you?
Hello, dali magito si Jessa.
I just Hi. Sweet 16. Guys, so update, we just arrived here at the church and we came in a little early. It's already 1:40 and the mass will start at 2:30 p.m. So yeah, Jessa is right behind me.
I'm wearing my glasses today.
Actually, Faith is already here. Nagide mo gidigingon ni Chinchin. Where is she? Where's my bestie? Hi! Uy, naguban mo? Hi, come here. Ano mo, dili mo Dolly, say hi to my vlog. Hi!
Ano nagibot ang Manila exit niya dito?
Naguban mo doon? Or nagdungan lang? Hi! Taga Carmen naman din si Mitch, so...
Pwede na ako bakla yun kung gusto na yun ako.
Lagi. Ano man to? Auntie Bibim, you say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Tigo pa kayo kasi ano ganito yung buyag-buyag. Diba? Basta makauyag kay ka-5. Uy!
Uy, na si Tito.
Ay, na-receipt niya na lang ka na pag wala siya. Di, ay kasada ni? Di, ayun sa din pero magsimbarata.
Magdibarata.
So,
Grabe kasi, bongga kayo magsimba ba yung nakagaon.
diba? Anak lang yun. Energy. Waiting for the others. Nice lang yung light video pack. Actually, gusto ko may namag tubig. Na ako yung tubig din. But, siguro later na lang pagka na medyo dili na ako kaya medyo ma-dehydrate lang. Oh my God, mixed feelings, mixed emotions. mix everything. Jessa, Alisa, Jessa. Jessa, how do you feel about this one?
I feel so excited and emotional.
So maglukot na midano gamong tissue. Because we like it or not, for sure. You say hi, vlog! You say...
Para ma-monetize
Oh.
natin.
Yeah, kuha na ya. Yeah, gamay na lang kulang. Tulo na kabok.
At ano na lang.
Oh, ay ikaw pa din si Rhea. Lord, ano si Kuya Carlo gago do, Lord.
Wala gito.
This is our mother. You say hi. Dili na sakit. Just mo na ni. Wala nang atrasan.
Hindi ako niya mag-break.
Ready in line.
Korea lang yun.
This is it, kay.
Every day with you.
Wala pa ninawag si Rhea sa sakiran, pero mura na may kakapot to. Uy, Jessa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, she's about to come in. My bro is getting married.
Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will.
On our way to the hotel.
Hindi lang ka. Bakla.
Chin, kamusta yung pagpa-clearance sa marriage contract? Nakapapirma ka sa tanan?
Oh,
Abay ta soy.
Oh,
Ay ko soy.
sabihin saan mo na, Chin?
Sila magpa-perma. Kasi sa groomsmen.
Bala na, sige ka sana. Hi, Mariel is here! And now we are sa manginabuhi nga diri nga murag gutom. Ay, naisan na pinya? We're enjoying the photo booth. We have it all by ourselves. And done namin yung chin-chin. Look, so this is a restaurant. Hi!
Honey space, a virtual escape. Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. 'Cause every day I'm turning upside down.
So this is how our night ended. And Kuya Jade, you can see him, but he's inside the car. No, way. Nice kang. Yeah, he's going to take us home. Bye-bye.
All of our friends, feet in the sand, beneath the stars.